Here I have OnePlus A5010 and let me show you how to find IMEI number on the following device. So we have two methods. Let's start with the first one, the quicker one. Open the phone dialer and then enter a secret code, which is asterisk #06#. And now you can see all the IMEI numbers for your phone. Tap OK to go back. And now let's go to the second method, so we will find IMEI number through the settings. So at the very beginning, open the list of all apps, then find and pick the settings. Here you have to scroll down to the very bottom of the list, so over here, and then pick About Phone. Here you can see all the details regarding your phone, and now scroll down and tap on Status. And here, under IMEI, you will be able to notice what your IMEI number is. And also you can see what your serial number is over here. And that's it. Thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.